he the way sort where he the way sort Nigeria. When we would have please let's
those of you who are engaged in the room mongering, it will not pay any longer. It has paid you in the past. We have decided and taken a decision at the level of leadership that we will never allow you people to divide us. And because of that, you people have started seeing the fruit of that. If we're not unified, there is no way this would have happened. So we're here more to celebrate Dr. Ayu than the decampment of John Deere. The purpose of our being here is to celebrate him in his house, in his hometown.
Member, three-time House of Representative member on the platform of APC is here decamping to PDP today because he has heard the message and there is every need for all of us to join hands, irrespective of whatever we are doing, because we have been brought to a level that Nigeria is no longer on the world map. In terms of security, in terms of economy, in terms of social life, we have been run aground. It wasn't like this. And so we must team up. I'm very excited and happy with this development. And I want to call as many as are here to make up their decision. I'm reaching out my colleagues and other members of APC to look at the interests of our country more than our personal interests, so that together we can rescue Nigeria from the failed leadership of APC and then join the winning team and the team that will rescue and rebuild Nigeria.
Well, it's the beginning of a process of rebuilding. A lot of emphasis has been placed on the presidency. The party exists from the wards through the local government, and through the various constituencies, federal constituencies, senatorial districts, the states. The agenda is to reclaim, to rebuild the party from the bottom up. We are not Buhari that does from the top to bottom. We as a political party, we are a grassroots party. We start from the bottom up. I come from a ward in Boko local government. And it is very important to me that the program of rebuilding, the program of homecoming, or bringing our old members back, is beginning from my own local government. The Honorable, who is in the House of Reps, for some funny reason ended up, he was a foundation member of PDP, but he ended up in the APC, which is the wrong party. And they are seeing the wisdom. And they are seeing that 2023, we are reclaiming power. He doesn't want to waste time in the wrong party. So he's coming back, and I'm very happy. It's a long progress, it's a long program, because we have a homecoming program for all our former PDP members. All members of the House of Representatives, senators who left the party are coming back. And it is beginning from my own home constituency. So I'm very happy. I thank my people. I thank the support, because all politics is local. So I'm starting from my home base. And you will see so many people decamping back to the PDP in the few months to come.
First, let me thank God that it has happened today. When my uncle, Dr. Yochie Ayu, was elected national chairman of PDP. My initial plan months back was to decamp into PDP by March next year. But when this happened, I said, Dr. Ayu is from my local government. Dr. Ayu is my uncle. What is the point? Staying in APC. I decided, okay, even if it is not convenient at this time, let me switch over. Let me defect to PDP. And that's why you have seen us here today. In our numbers, what you have seen here is just a bit, it's just a little of what you would have seen if it were going to be in March. But I'm sure you are not disappointed with what you...
And how would it change the fortune of PDP in this area?
I wouldn't have loved to answer that question because there are people out there to answer this. But let me, for the records, let me say that in the whole National Assembly, representatives of Benue extraction, I am the only one that won out of 11 members of the House of Reps. I'm the only one that won on the ticket of APC. I think that is some feat that is not small. 3 senators are all PDP, and every other person in the House from Benue is PDP. Those that are in PDP today joined from other parties. I am the only one in the whole National Assembly from Benue that originally won on the ticket of APC. I don't want to leave that behind. And that record speaks for itself. And with what we have seen here today, I'm sure you will agree without any argument that we have some little value, at least some little value, to add to the PDP family in Benue, in my local government in Benue, and indeed Nigeria at large, by the grace of God, by the very special grace of God.
Thank you very much, sir.
It has always been the party that Nigerians prefer. Mistakes were made before the 2015 elections, and the PDP has, corrected those mistakes, apologized to Nigerians, and come back stronger. And the election of Senator Dr. Yochai Ayu today as the national chairman of the party has gone to show that PDP has really taken the right step to rescue Nigeria and give it back to Nigerians. You know, a lot of things has gone wrong. And today that Nigerians have realized that the party they can trust to give them leadership, to provide things to make the economy better, provide security for them is the PDP and no other party. So it is a good thing. We are looking forward to 2023. The national chairman of the party is someone who was there when PDP was born. He knows the ideology, he knows the philosophy of PDP. And so he's the right man for the job. And I trust that with the support of Governor Samuel Otom, other PDP governors and other stakeholders, he will succeed. Certainly he will succeed. And the party will elect a candidate, a presidential candidate for the 2023 elections that Nigerians will come to agree that truly this is the man who will rescue this country and give it back to us.
These defections, how does it benefit those of you who are seeking election?
It does because Senator Dr. Yochai Ayu is someone who is known to... Today's defection in Boko here by the Right Honorable John Day has gone to show that in Benue State there is no other party. The APC has collapsed in Benue and the PDP's ranks are swelling. The umbrella is swelling. But the umbrella can never be filled because it is so large and comfortable for Nigerians to come in. So Right Honorable John Day and the others have done a wonderful thing to take the right step, join their leaders who have been holding this party together to build it. And we are hopeful, we are optimistic that come 2023, Nigerians will smile again because PDP is back and it is back to rescue this country and give it back to Nigerians.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.